talk about this. Funny thing, like, my fucking friends.
My Tallahassee hero, 850 right here.
Tatted on my chest. This girl, like, the funny thing, looking back at our statuses, man, on Facebook.
Oh boy,
why
those
were
memories.
we so damn much?
Oh, those are real.
I'd
be like, growth for real.
growth. Hashtag growth. Thank you, God, because I used to be like, yeah, and a bitch be looking at what? Who were you talking to? Oh, I know who I was talking to though. I meant that shit.
Oh, and
but it was
to this
so
day,
much,
I remember that memory.
to this day. Woo. But yeah, the funny thing is, my friends be acting like
I don't know.
I'm a
There's no
I'm
acting.
like this.
It is what it is. Toya
Like,
is the celebrity.
They are
the groupies.
celebrities. Celebrities.
When I go out with Toya,
I'm not no celebrity.
it's like Toya. If me and Toya walking, if Toya's me, it's like Toya, and I just be like, let me just go to the side real quick. I just wait. I'm used to it now. I'm used to it.
That's stupid. That should be like, yeah, girl. When I went out, everybody was like, "Where Toya? Where Toya?"
Exactly.
It's only because I don't live here anymore, guys.
Even when she was here, it was always like Toya. Toya would go to the VIP, and Toya would leave.
And I'd be like, it's all of us coming.
No, they closed the gate on us one time. It was like just Toya. So we was like, oh, the fans got to stay back. Okay, sorry. Not that kind of party.
I remember that night, and guess what I did? I'm out. If my bitches
did leave.
Bitch, you got me fucked up. And I used to try it too. That's the thing. I used to try it, like knowing, it's only your face good right now. They don't even know these bitches. But I'm trying.
But
hey, I got 10 other bitches.
You did. Can they come along?
Can they come along? And then after a while, we got good with Big Mark.
We did.
Big Mark.
We love him.
We love Big Mark.
We appreciate him.
And I hope he is in full recovery.
Yes, definitely.
He got admitted back again.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I know.
Okay, prayers for Big Mark.
Yeah. But that shit crazy. Like,
yeah. Toya.
I connect with
Come
people.
on, Toya.
Shout out to Bo Weezy. Bo Weezy. Man, when you think about us in the moon, dog, we had a spot. People were on my status talking about, yeah, I'm going to fuck with y'all, come to y'all spot. They knew we was upstairs at the top.
And y'all real disrespectful if y'all in our spot when we
real
get there.
disrespectful.
Because what we're going to do, exactly.
We're going to get our spot.
What we're going to do is make you real uncomfortable.
And we dancing all
and
up
make
on
you move.
And when one person one seat is taken, oh, we all gonna be in this area. You're going to move. And they used to have a fucking spotlight. Remember they used to put us. Oh my God! Come on, Toy. Come. This is what's funny. With Bo, that shit went from Toya to Chambly. I said that nigga heard me say that shit once. Come on, Chombliss. Come on, Chombliss. Okay, Bo, goddamn it, nah.
You definitely would get you where you needed to get, though.
Man, listen. The fucking moon had a jumbotron, poles.
Oh, yeah.
Remember it was poles in there? And they had to
yeah.
take them out. Oh, kids still on the playground. Okay. Did you finish all yours?
No, I did not.
Oh.
No, I didn't. I couldn't. I got cold.
But where you just leave me drinking. Well, come on
Drink
now.
up,
No,
man.
no.
Drink
This
up.
is supposed to be your birthday. It's her birthday. It's my dog birthday. It's my dog birthday. It's my dog birthday. Last night I was. Oh wait, what's the word? Last night I was. Where's Super Freak? Last night.
No,
what's
it's
the
okay.
word?
I don't know. I don't remember.
No, this
I
is
don't
not
even
good.
remember,
We
though.
is not that old.
This is
Last
the sad
night,
part.
I was gonna. I don't know the words. Yo, Super Freak. Super Freak.
I don't even
Oh,
remember.
last night it was Kush and Ciroc.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
super geek. Thank you.
I'm
You're
gonna have
not,
to play
you're
that
not
song
gonna
again,
make me
'cause
feel
I
like
sure
I'm
forgot.
55.
Yeah, I definitely forgot. It was a good
It's all
song,
good,
though.
but yeah.
That was a good time. That was a good time.
Do you have
That's all
any
I gotta say.
questions? Can you think of something? Let's see.
Questions to ask Bliss.
Not to just me, for us. For us, friend.
Okay, questions to ask us.
I don't know.
Okay, let me think. Okay, yeah, let's talk about college days, because you know what? Technically, it's the Florida Classic weekend.
Oh my God.
And
We not doing
would be
shit.
cheering on the Rattlers right now.
Bruh.
Beating BCC.
The community college.
Right.
No shade, the community college, because DCC, we love y'all.
Right. It's
We
just
love-
BCC that
It's
we
just
talk
BCC.
about.
It's a little rivalry, y'all. That's
But-
true. Damn, man.
Yeah, yeah.
This year has been so different. But
Yeah.
I heard they're supposed to be doing like
Yes, I'm gonna donate some money.
a performance. Yeah,
To,
yeah. I need send it to
to-
me.
Okay. Okay. 'cause that's how
I
I'm gonna
saw that
post
they're
it.
doing a virtual battle of the band still, which is good for the students because
Ah.
they haven't did nothing.
Freshman year sucks.
Let's see. I went on campus Thursday. They got School of Journalism provided me with an office space to work from.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So
I mean,
went.
not surprised she's Bliss, but okay.
So I went up there, and we got to
She
meet.
brags. She brags about light stuff though, but
I'm not.
you see how she
bragging.
threw it in my
I was
face.
just
But
talking
okay.
about.
Okay.
That was special.
I'm joking. I'm joking. We give her hard times about
They
this stuff.
do. That's
but
why
we
I don't
love
be
her,
saying nothing.
and we're proud of her for
Yes,
it.
yes, they are. I love y'all. But we went up there. When I say it was so weird, cause campus was quiet.
Yeah,
I was like, oh,
yeah.
I feel so bad for them. Like,
Yeah,
this
sucks.
is not how you want college to.
No.
Remember your college
Oh my
years.
goodness. No.
Cause ours was lit.
It was wonderful. I'm so happy I joined Divas my second
Oh
semester.
my gosh, Divas was the best thing that ever happened
don't
to
think-
us.
I don't think.
I wouldn't have never met you.
Yes.
Literally.
I don't know if I would even be where I am right now if it wasn't,
It
for
wasn't
Divas.
me either.
Like,
Me either.
oh my goodness.
And she's still letting me drink by myself. You know, I don't like that shit. But this has always been my friend. She's not. I will peer pressure her. See, you hear her
So
rattle in the
much.
back. Thank you. Talking about she cold. But guess what? I'm here. I'm
can't.
here.
She just can't let me slowly live. She wants me to just go.
Full throttle.
Go.
Full throttle. I respect her 90% of the time, but then that 10%, I'd be like, no, you're going to do it. You're going to do it for me. You're going to do it for us.
That 10% though is real disrespectful.
It's
though.
very...
It's real disrespectful.
Oh, that's my helicopter. I'm just- it does get to it. 10% is at when Janae.
It takes over the 90% though, actually. So it's like,
Okay. She has to prepare for that because
especially
my
when
friend.
we used to be in college and I didn't want to drink as much as her.
Oh, I
And
was.
she would really get mad at me because I don't want to drink that much. Like, I got to where I needed to be. Why are you rolling your eyes at me? Because
That was me, y'all.
I
I
don't
have grown
wanna
a lot.
drink.
I had to grow a lot.
she legit would get stank attitude.
No, like stank attitudes because I did not let her do what was true to her. But I was like, but listen, my theory was, I know my friend needs this. I know she.
It came from a good place.
It really did. But my attitude was not called for. Oh my gosh.
I should be like, oh my goodness, why is she staring?
She's a bitch.
Right?
I was. Oh
why
my God.
are you? In my head, I used to be like, why are you
Why?
getting mad? Because
I mean, you.
I'm good where I am. Boy.
Y'all.
Oh, those
But
were the
Divas,
times.
best thing ever.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I
I'm so
definitely wouldn't be
happy I
the woman
joined.
that I am. I wouldn't have met you. I wouldn't have met Nikita.
Oh my goodness.
My
yeah.
two best friends in
Yeah.
life, my life partners. Okay,
Yes.
we going through this
We are.
life and after this life together.
Right.
But
Holding
man, like
hands.
if we wouldn't have tried out, we would not have known each other.
That's so crazy.
Well, you
though.
know what?
But
we
you
probably
know
would
what's
have.
crazy though? What I love is that it was somebody that brought us all together because Nikita, it was Sukina, right?
Yes, Sakina told Nikita.
For me, it was actually
Who was it?
Ebony in my room. Ebony and my friend were roommates.
Oh,
And so it was Ebony was like, "Oh, you should join Divas."
Look at that.
And I had asked my sister's best friend about it because she was at FAMU, and she was like, "Oh yeah, I heard Divas is pretty good. Go for it." So I did it, and then for you, it was Tanza. Crazy, crazy how like it just
the
like,
universe.
Yeah.
And I'm saying like we wouldn't have met, but something in me is telling me God was gonna have us meet regardless. But that was just a perfect recipe for us all, because Keita was at FSU, you know, both of us was at FAM. I wasn't staying on campus, like, so it would have been a lot more difficult for us to be in the same area. But
and that is so crazy though, like I'm on campus, off campus, FSU,
Yep.
like totally different parts.
Yeah, but damn, man, Divas contributed to a lot of our happiness, a lot of our growth.
Yeah.
That's why every time, like, talking to Danisha, Crystal Hall, Makita, like, just all of them that we looked up to, that shit was, it was special. That was a beautiful organization.
Those were some great
and
big
like
sisters.
we like to carry that torch. We want to carry that torch in everything that we do. So like,
yeah,
it's I'm always gonna want to mentor somebody.
Yes,
it's just a part of me.
Yeah,
I was doing it at Rickards with the cheerleaders.
Right.
It's just so fulfilling.
But because too, it's like we know how wonderful Black women are.
That's what it
and
is.
how important we are, and we get so pushed to the back burner all the time. Like we're literally bottom of the totem pole, and it's like we need people who look like us that can identify with us. And can be like, no, baby, you are a queen.
Absolutely, because they had to see that shit in us.
Yeah,
past all this attitude over here, because I was the one, y'all. But we all had attitudes, but I was more, I'm going to show my shit, because I need a bitch to know I don't like you, or I'm pissed, or, yeah, y'all, it was a lot. It was a lot. Lexi was, like, so calm. She was, like, my balance.
I just went with the flow.
And, like, we had a year where we didn't even talk as friends. And it was such a weird year, like.
We had some growing to do.
We did, separately.
Yeah.
Separately. Yeah, we did. We really did. That was crazy.
But also, I think that made us come back stronger.
I remember when I was like, I want to invite Alexis to watch some kind of awards. Because I had been in your proximity a few times.
Yep.
And I was like, I miss her so much. And I invited you, and you came.
I missed you. I appreciate you.
This is my friend, this is my love. Yeah, I will still kill a bitch about her. You and you.
The feeling is mutual.
The feeling is mutual. She's a psychopath. But no,
you never know, because I'm just so
she's so
quiet about it. So
she's so quiet. But yeah, yeah, man, dang. And all of us are so different. Our little trifecta.
Yeah. But that's what balances us out.
Yeah, me, you, and Keita.
And now, back then in college, we didn't understand each other.
No,
100%.
we did not. So
and we really did think like you're crazy.
Yeah. We
But now we understand.
Yes, we do.
Like our actions, behaviors, and like the reasons behind certain things we did.
Yeah.
And that was just who that person was. And I accept them.
That's right.
For them.
Yeah.
For that. But at that time, we
weren't fully accepting of each other.
Yeah.
In what we brought. So there was judgment. There was assumption. There was a lot of things, and now it's like, gosh,
a lot of miscommunication.
A lot of miscommunication, but the intent was not. It was never ill will.
Never.
But
Definitely
the way it came
heart.
off, it was not okay in certain situations.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. That's
still,
crazy.
it's a practice, guys.
Oh yeah.
So
we're still not perfect, for sure. Yeah.
But
we get it. We get it better now.
We do.
And I think too, like we when we communicate, and this is where people go wrong